What do you need? Hot tea? Coffee? Lip gloss.
Hey, pretty girls! Welcome to Pretty Girl University, where we talk about all things related to beauty and wellness. I'm a new YouTube channel, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, girlies. Today we're going to talk about having the most perfect glossy lips. Now, this is not to call anyone out, but I know that some of y'all have lips dry enough to make the Sahara Desert look like a luscious rainforest. Just kidding. Well, not really. Since I'm your internet older sister, I have to be honest with you and give you honest advice. Have you ever looked at the girls on the internet or in real life that have the glossiest, pretty lips and wanted to be like them? Well, you're in for some luck because this tutorial will do just that. The glossy lips routine will contain 4 steps. First, exfoliate. Second, hydrate. Third, moisturize, gloss, and protect. And finally, 4th, lifestyle habits to incorporate into your routine. 1. Exfoliate. First, we have got to exfoliate. Keeping dead skin at bay is the first step to having soft skin on your face, body, and your lips. You can create a DIY scrub by combining sugar, coconut oil, and honey. Not only is it edible and it tastes amazing, it also scrubs all the dry skin patches that have been building up on the surface of your lips. Apply it on clean lips and scrub with your fingers until all the dead flakes come off, then apply lip balm. An old hack is to exfoliate your lips by using Vaseline and a toothbrush. Make sure your lips are clean, then apply a healthy coat of Vaseline to your lips. Get a toothbrush and gently, keyword gently, exfoliate your lips. Please be gentle since toothbrushes are rough and they're meant to brush your teeth, so have a lighter touch when brushing your lips. When you are done, wipe off and moisturize your lips. You can also use a store-bought scrub or use a lip scrub tool. Use whatever works for you, but again, be careful not to go overboard though. The skin on your lips is more sensitive than the skin on your face and body. So don't over-exfoliate unless you want to have raw, chapped, and painful lips. 2. Hydrate. When you want to think of hydrating your lips, you want to think of water. One way to lock in water in your lips is by using a hyaluronic acid serum. It intensely hydrates your lips, and some also claim that it plumps their lips. Apply a balm after applying your serum to lock in the hydration. Also, drink lots of water. Sipping your water regularly exposes your lips to water and hydrates them, but also hydrates you from within. Everybody's water intake is different, so know how much water you need. Look up your daily water intake on Google. Also, keep a humidifier in your room to hydrate your skin and lips overnight. It can prevent or relieve dryness to your lips by adding moisture to the air. 3. Moisturize, protect, and gloss. This is probably the most fun part of this video. Who doesn't love glossing their lips and adding color, shine, and even glitter? Before glossing, though, we must first moisturize. One of the best ways to moisturize and protect your lips is a lip balm. Make sure they have ingredients in them that are known to moisturize. Look for occlusive and emollient ingredients. Occlusive ingredients lock in moisture and are things like petroleum jelly, lanolin, and shea butter. Emollients, on the other hand, soften the texture of your lips. And examples are jojoba oil, squalene, and cocoa butter. Popular lip balms are the Rhode Peptide Lip Treatment, Summer Friday's Lip Butter Balm Treatment, Burt's Bees Lip Balm, Sunbum Lip Balm, and of course Vaseline, Aquaphor, and drugstore lip balms. You can also add an overnight lip mask to protect your lips overnight. Keep them on your nightstand to have easy access to them to apply right before you go to sleep. Now that you have moisturized, you can add your favorite lip products. These can be lip glosses, lip tints, lip liners, and lip oils. Lip glosses add shine and a hint of color. Lip glosses typically come in various finishes like sheer, pigmented, shimmer, and glitter. Popular lip gloss products are the Fenty Gloss Bomb, NYX Butter Lip Gloss, Kiko 3D Hydra Lip Gloss, and the Maybelline Lip Lifter Gloss. Other drugstores and beauty supply glosses are amazing too and are so cute. Lip tints are lightweight lip products that are often water-based, that provide a sheer, subtle wash of color to the lips, creating a natural-looking flush. It's known for its long-lasting wear and buildable coverage, allowing for customizable intensity. Lip liners are typically a pencil used to define and shape the lips before applying lip products. It helps prevent lip products from bleeding outside the lip line and can also be used to enhance the lip shape and create a fuller appearance. Lip oils help moisturize, condition, and add shine to the lips. They are usually thinner and more fluid than balms or glosses, and are usually formulated with nourishing oils and moisturizing ingredients like hyaluronic acid and jojoba oil. They're oil-based and they're not as shiny or sticky as lip gloss, but provide excellent conditioning to the lips. Popular lip oils are the NYX Fat Lip Oil, Jisoo Honey Infused Lip Oil, e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil, Dior Lip Glow Oil, and the Burt's Bees Hydrating Lip Oil. 4. Lifestyle habits. Eat your omega-3s. Being pretty isn't just about the outside, it's also about the inside. Omega-3s help improve skin hydration, reduce inflammation, enhance skin elasticity. Omega-3s also protect against sun damage and also help speed up wound healing, which is great for the girls that have a bad habit of picking the skin on their lips. Speaking of bestie, let's leave picking, biting, and licking the skin on our lips in the distant past. It leads to more skin peeling, excessive dryness, and pain that could have been completely avoided. One of the ways you can avoid this is by wearing a lip combo. It can help you avoid messing it up by licking or picking since it looks so pretty. You don't want to ruin it. Here are some tutorials. Again, drink plenty of water and stay hydrated. Carry lip balm or gloss with you everywhere. Some girls create holes in their gloss tubes to carry their lip product with them on their keychains and wallets. You can also obviously put them in your bags and pockets, and also in places you frequent often like your office desk, car, bathroom, or next to your nightstand. You can also put them in your makeup bags to apply after putting makeup on, or your pencil case to put on as you study. In a future video, I'll post a pencil case makeup video addressing items to put in your pencil case to stay pretty with brains.